Have you ever wondered what it takes to dive into one of the most challenging yet rewarding fields in the world? Welcome to the world of medical studies, a realm that begins with the National Eligibility Entrance Test, undergraduate or NEET UG 2024. In the year 2024, the NEET UG exam was conducted by the National Testing Agency, also known as the NTA. This examination was held in an impressive 557 cities across India and also reached 14 international locations. The scale was immense, with over 24 lakh candidates vying for 1 lakh MBBS seats. The competition was fierce, the stakes were high, and the pressure was palpable. The NEET UG 2024 exam was a mixed bag of questions from different domains. The physics and chemistry sections were described by many as moderate to difficult and were also considered to be quite lengthy. On the other hand, the biology section was perceived to be a bit easier. The question paper was divided into 4 sections: physics, chemistry, zoology, and botany, each with its own specific scoring criteria. However, it was not all smooth sailing. Some students reported discrepancies in the distribution of question papers at certain centers, leading to protests. There were also rumors of a paper leak that surfaced on social media, triggering concerns among stakeholders. In summary, the NEET UG 2024 exam was a comprehensive and challenging test. It was conducted on a large scale, in a multitude of locations, both within India and internationally. The exam consisted of 4 sections, with varying levels of difficulty. Despite some reported issues, the NEET UG 2024 exam remains a significant milestone in the journey of aspiring medical professionals. Remember, this is not just an examination. It is the first stepping stone towards a career that can change lives and create a healthier world. So whether you're an aspirant, a parent, an educator, or simply interested in the world of medical studies, understanding the intricacies of NEET UG is essential. After all, knowledge is power, and in the world of medicine, it is the power to save lives.